Hi everyone, autism is one of the neurodivergence, a neurological condition among many others determined by certain genes in the DNA growth by the parent who have in their DNA the gene activated or not corresponding to the neurodivergence in general. Autism is often characterized by too less or too much of something compared to the norm, to the majority, to the neurotypicals. Example, an autistic individual can be not social at all or hypersocial, hypersensitive to sensory or not sensitive at all or alternately hypersensitive or not sensitive. Autism, from the word auto, means self. They need to be alone, they function and learn better by themselves, self-taught. When they have high intellectual quotient, they can be independent. The others, the allistic, they need all, they need others to function and learn. Someone needs to teach them, they are not independent. Autistic are often more connected to their self and so to the universe, and maybe this deep connection to the world who makes them absorb everything, every information, and be hypersensitive. Allistic maybe are more connected to others and more often disconnected from their authentic self. Introversion is related to the personality type, psychological type. It is determined by the attitude of the first dominant cognitive function, main energy, introversion or extroversion. Your personality type, psychological type, is your core functioning. It is determined by the position of your cognitive function. This cognitive function process information. It is how you prefer process information, how you prefer perceive and decide in the world. It is possibly determined by the life lesson of your parent, the cognitive function they need to learn, understand, accept, and integrate in themselves in this lifetime. Both neurological condition and psychological type are different parts of yourself among many others. Both never change during your life and cannot be removed or cured. We live with them, we manage them, we are them. The universe and life challenging us similarly or differently. The neurodivergence, neurological condition, difference or disorder comes smash in part the personality, psychological type, cognitive function. It can be by reducing or increasing the capacity of certain cognitive function or alterate, modify their functioning or sometimes make them dysfunction. Autism can be validated or not by passing a diagnostic test by a psychologist or else professional, and you have to pay for it, whereas your personality, psychological type, you can know it by passing a test, an indicator on internet, and it is free, and also you can know it more in depth by learning the cognitive function. An autistic individual can be an introvert or an extrovert. I know and know many people who are both autistic Asperger and extroverted, ESTP, ENTJ, ENTP, ENFP. About the ambivert, more chance they are ENTP or ENFP because their first function is NE, extroverted intuition, and therefore their function for the inferior is introverted sensing. They can be overwhelmed by the physical world, by the sensory, and need to recharge. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.